Hi, and now we are going to learn how to write the table in Html5. Just I create a HTML file, index.html, and I change the title, table in HTML5. And for the writing table, we just start with the table tag, table, starting and ending tag, the table, and the first thing, table row, and the table row, first table row, like a heading, we have used table heading. I'll just give it a student name, and then again a table heading, father name, and then we use another heading, table heading, whatever you like, class, and just save it and open it with the live server. So this is our table headings. If we add more data, table heading, and now we have to add table data td with the td tag, like whatever, the Michael, I name it, student name Michael, and father name John, and class, not the table heading, this table data, and class 6th, 6th. Just save it. So you can see you are creating the table. I just copy paste these rows, so you can see a simple table. And there are some ways to manage the table. Like if you wanna manage your table, we have a different tab like table head. This shows that this is the head section of the table, and after that we have a table body. Don't worry, I just tell you how to format, how to write clean code. This is not a proper way to write the code. In Visual Studio Code, if you just select whatever the code you want to format and the right click on that, it gives you format the documentation, or you can simply Shift Alt and F. If you press this, so you can see that your HTML document is in a proper form. So always write to keep a proper code, readable form. Okay, let's save it. And in the last we have a table footer, and whatever we have 3 lines. No, I just write one heading, total students, and I give it a column span 2. I just save it. You can see there are 3 columns, one for the each row contains 3 columns. Not this one. Oh, why? Okay, sorry for that. Just save it. And okay, we have 3 columns: student name, father name, and the class name, and when you use attribute column span 2, it means that this table row will extend to the 2 columns. So as you can see, it's extended to the 2 columns. And in the end, you can write like this: table data, like we have 3 students till now. Just save it. So you can see total students 3. So this is the basic way to write a simple HTML table, and very soon I will create a CSS series for the beginners, and you will see how easily we can make our HTML a table beautiful with a CSS. So keep watching.